In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the HubSpot platform to configure social sharing buttons for your blog. A lot of us know the importance of social sharing in increasing visibility and engagement, and HubSpot makes this process relatively straightforward. Let's dive into the details. To start off, you'll want to go to the user guide in your HubSpot account. The user guide acts as a compass for navigating the various functionalities and settings available in HubSpot. It's like your home base where you can easily find the pathways to customize your HubSpot experience. You'll find this guide on the home page of your account. Once you're in the user guide, the next step is to head over to the settings section. This is a critical area because it houses all the configuration options that allow you to fine-tune how your HubSpot environment works. The settings icon is typically represented as a gear, and clicking on it will open a menu with various categories of settings. As you've navigated to the settings, look for the blog section. The blog section is where you manage everything related to your HubSpot blog, from its general settings and design to social sharing options. Clicking on this will expand the blog settings, revealing more focused options for customization. Now that you're in the blog settings, you need to find and click on the social sharing option. This section is pivotal for allowing your blog posts to be easily shared across various social media platforms. Properly configured, social sharing buttons can significantly boost the reach of your content by encouraging readers to share it on their own networks. Finally, within the social sharing section, you will find a subsection specifically for social sharing buttons. These are the buttons that will appear on each of your blog posts, making it a breeze for readers to share your content with a single click. This section lets you choose which social platforms you want your content to be shareable on, and you can usually customize the appearance of these buttons to match your brand aesthetics. By now, you should have successfully navigated through the HubSpot interface to configure social sharing buttons, making your blog posts more interactive and shareable. Remember, social media is an incredibly valuable tool for expanding your audience and engaging with your community, and having these buttons readily available on your content is a crucial step in leveraging that power. So, there you have it. You've taken the essential steps to boost your blog post's visibility and engagement via social sharing. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more how-to guides and tips on maximizing your marketing tools.